In ancient times, in the north of Garut city, there was a few inhabitants were mostly farmers because the land in the village was very fertile and never lacked water, so their rice field always produced abundant rice. But even residents in the village remained for lack of it was caused by the action of a middleman named Nyai Bagendit. The day was still a little dark, was still hanging on the leaves, but the resident has rushed of the rice fields. Today is harvest day. The wheel reaped yellowed rice and sold it to Nyai Bagendit. Nyai Bagendit is the rice version in the village. Her house is lush. Greenery is very wide because it must be known to accommodate the rice she buys from all the farmers in the village, and not voluntarily the farmers sell their crop to Nyai Bagendit.
Wow, when will our pet change? I can't stand living like this. What does God punish the languages?
Don't be allowed to comment. Here are we happen to be pattern letter that will son command retribution for total college to mystery after God never sleep.
Meanwhile, Nyai Bagendit is checking her greenery.
Darja, how is all the bone?
It's done. Bomb is for ready and ever from the spell keep update without it doesn't.
Soon they will run out to buy my paddy. I'll get Richard give an A on the farmers. Don't let them sell their crop elsewhere. Teach a lesson to anyone bees. Sure enough, a few weeks later, the village began to run out of the foodstuffs, and many even began to suffer from Nyai Bagendit, always pasted on luxurious food in her house.
Our supply is renewal soon. We are forced to buy rice from Nyai Bagendit, said the neighbor. The price is now 5 times higher than when we sold in the fair. How is it?
On a hot afternoon, for the end of the village, a grandmother was seen walking her as she faced through the settlement with a look full of compassion. For these people, they suffer just because of the behavior of one. It seems like this mustn't shown. Excuse me for asking.
Yes, Grandma. What is it?
Where can I find the wretched man in this village? Oh, Grandma, the left day's house is near. Grandma, you just have to go straight until a mid-junction. You turn left and you will see a very big house. That's your house. What do you need with Nyai Bagendit? I want to ask for alms.
It is usually for you. She won't give it to you if you're hungry. Eat at my house, but only is you can.
No, thank you. I just want to know direction if there is a bigger asking for alms. Oh yes, please tell the others to get ready to evacuate because there will be a big flood soon.
Grandma, you're joking. How can there be a flood in the dry season?
I'm not kidding. I'm the one who will teach Nyai Bagendit a lesson. So evacuate immediately and bring your valuables. After that, the grandmother left the woman who was still standing stunned while Nyai Bagendit was enjoying a plentiful meal, as well as the bodyguards. The beggar arrived in front of Nyai Bagendit's house and was immediately intercepted by the bodyguards. Nyai, indeed, come out. I want to ask Nyai Bagendit for alms.
What the hell is clamoring outside, disturbing people think alone? Hey, who are you, old lady? Where are you yelling in front house?
I just want to ask for some food because I haven't eaten in 3 days. There's no food here. Hurry up, my house is dirty. But instead of leaving, the grandmother stuck her stick into the ground and looked angrily at it. Indeed, Bagandit, all this time God has given you abundant strength, but you are not grateful. You are miserably well the village and wasting food. I come here as answer to the phrase of the village who are miserable because of your action. No be afraid to receive your punishment. Ha ha ha. You want me no mistakes, you don't see my centang. So much just hit you did, don't bother to throw me out olive. Here if you can pull my sticks out of the ground. What's so hard about falling out a stitch without any energy? Ha ha ha. You guys didn't make it. It turns out that your power is not how I'm going to pull out this stitch. Once the stick was lifted from the ground, suddenly the former stick of the grandmother's stick gushed water very sweetly. Oh Bagandit, this is the punishment for you. This water is the tears of the people who are miserable because of you, and all property will be drowned by this water. After saying this, the grandmother suddenly discovered somewhere Nyai Bagandit to vanish, saying the water sweetly. They tried to run to save her property, but the flood water drowned her and her property faster. The conclusion, the moral message of the legend of Situ Bagandit is that we ought not be arrogant, miserly and haughty towards others. If we are given lot of wealth, share it with others.